Okay, so here if the measure of arc QR is 110, okay, the measure of arc RS is 94, okay, and then the measure of QR and T, so that would be QR and T, so that measure right there is going to be equal to 27 degrees, okay. So I want to find the measure of QT and R, okay. So the first measure I want to find is this Q, T, and R. So Q, T, and R, okay, is going to be half of the measure of the arc QR there. So what's that going to be? So it's going to be 55 degrees. Okay, so the next one I want to find is RQ and S, so that's going to be right here, so this angle here, so it's going to be half of my, so RQ and S is also going to be half of your arc length there, so 94 divided by 2, so that's going to be what, 47? Okay, so now I want to find these marked arcs here of QT and TS, so C and F here. So QT would be 2 times that 27, so 2 times that 27 would be 54, okay, so the measure of that arc QT would be 2 times the measure of QRT, okay, and then TS there, the arc there, then remember they all add up to be 360, so if this is 54 right here, you can say 360 minus 54 minus 110 minus 94, so that's going to give me a 102, okay, so now if I wanted to find TRS, then the measure of TRS, okay, so it's going to be 1/2 of TS. So 102 divided by 2, so that's going to be 51. And then Q, the measure of QS and R, okay, QS and R is going to be 1/2. QS and R is also going to be 1/2 of that 110, so that's going to be a 55. Okay. That was a missed question on your quiz, so I just kind of wanted to go through it. All right, y'all have a great day.